Morning from Abbotsford.
We're just in the teardown process of GeoWoodstock, and I don't know if you can see the venue behind us, but it's coming down pretty rapidly. But we'd like to take a moment to thank everybody.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Sorry, go ahead.
Thank you so much for coming to join us in Abbotsford and enjoy the Fraser Valley. I hope you made lots of new friends and had the opportunity to reconnect with old friends, perhaps people you haven't seen for a few years.
I would really like to thank, on our behalf, the City of Abbotsford, Tourism Abbotsford, all the local businesses who have supported and benefited from GeoWoodstock, and first and foremost, the Sumas First Nation for hosting us on this land.
So we had a wonderful day yesterday, and we just want to thank everybody that was involved. Our volunteers, oh my goodness, they were amazing. And they still are amazing because they're the ones that are tearing things down right now. And so some of them have been with us for 3 years, and others just for the last couple of days, but every single one of you guys made a huge difference and made this possible. So thank you so much. We're just humbled by your generosity.
And honestly, that's pretty much all we wanted to say. It's just a huge thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.